Naam, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning, everyone. Today morning, I would like to share something with my colleagues. Whoever has ever prayed for anything from God and you stopped praying for it, you have to be careful and ask yourself some questions. If you were praying for anything from God and certainly you left praying for it, what was the cause of your stopping? Is it that because God delayed to give you what you wanted, so you reached a conclusion of saying that God neglected you? Is it that because you reached an extent of understanding that God has refused to give you what you were praying for? Is it just because you reached an extent and said God cannot be able to give you what you are praying for? So whoever has something he or she prayed for from God, and that person stopped praying for it from God, should check his or her belief in God. It may lead to weakness in Iman, weakness in faith. It may lead even to thinking about God things which are not true. Things like, I prayed to God and God did not give me, or I prayed to God and God failed to provide what I was asking for, or just you gave up. From nowhere you gave up. So it is not good to pray for something and you reach some extent, you give up, you stop praying. We should always go on praying for what we want from God, just because we believe God is able, He is omnipotent, He is the most powerful, He can do anything. He has the ability of providing whatever we ask from Him. So whoever is praying for something, for anything from God, you don't have to give up with your prayer. You have to go on just because the timing is for Him. Your work is only praying, and His work is to provide what you have prayed for. If you stop praying, you check your belief. You may decline in believing in God.